Punch.
And I'm announcer Bob. And we just have breaking news that Professor Haeyoung Lee and Samuel Lee have found
A new enzyme called lactase, which is a enzyme that can break lactose molecule. Small intestinal epithelial cells is known as the enzyme that splits the milk sugar lactose to make more simple sugars like glucose and galactose. Lactase is mainly known as a digestive enzyme which is produced by specialized cells that usually line the lumen of the small intestine. The gene which is known to be responsible for guiding the production of the enzyme of lactase is called the LCT gene and can be found on chromosome 21. The diagram shown below is the diagram of LCT.
So, the four-fold interhomology which the genes hold leads to the idea that they evolved by 2 cycles of partial gene duplication. The repetition also suggests that the proportions has come to be quite similar with the mature LPH. Only the probe being water-soluble beta-glycoside along with any additional cellular location.
This is the diagram of a lactase molecule. So the function of lactase is important. What lactase does is it breaks down lactose into simple sugars like glucose and galactose, which are monosaccharides. This way, the human body can function correctly and still obtain energy from the lactose. Without the lactase enzyme, the lactose just sits in the body because there is no way for it to be broken down.
The lactose binds to the lactase to form an enzyme subtract complex, which consists of the glucose and galactose. The enzyme lactase is a catalyst, a compound that changes the speed of a chemical reaction without itself being changed by the reaction. Being an enzyme means that it is only speeding up a reaction that would already occur. The way this reaction would occur is the stomach acid having trouble breaking down the lactase, which would have caused for all of the gas to build up in the stomach, allowing for diarrhea to occur. Lactase enzyme will only bind to lactose molecules because this is how the receptors are supposed to do.
So the diagram below shows how lactase works with lactose, and once lactase is broken down into glucose and galactose, they get into your bloodstream and turns into energy that helps lactase helps digesting lactose, a form of sugar, and therefore provides energy to the body to maintain life. Lactose is very important for all kind of cells. When there are not enough lactase, this causes lactose intolerance for humans. Lactose intolerance is caused by low level of the enzyme lactase in your small intestine. When LCT gene is damaged in any way, shape, or form, it would produce an improper production as well as improper function of the enzyme. When not enough lactase are made, not enough lactose can be digested, therefore causes lactose to go into your intestine not being digested, and therefore bacteria will have to break it down, which causes diarrhea.